How to change algorithm in DJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now first, you must add two different sounds and track. Now on the top, you can see this filter like icon. Simply tap on this icon. Now here, these are the algorithms that are available. So here you can see a drop down button too. Tap on this drop down button. So basically there are two different types, equalizer and neural mix equi. So you can select it accordingly. So here I'm tapping on one. So it has been all set. So this is a default one and you must do nothing. Now if you go back, it's all set now and you can customize your music accordingly and according to your wish. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.